Hey everyone, welcome back to Thousand Islands Toyota, located at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2020 Toyota RAV4 LE all-wheel drive. This is the Ruby Flare exterior color. It's got a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine and puts out 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. It's got a 55 liter tank and delivers fuel economy ratings of 9.2 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 7.1 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. This equates to 31 miles per gallon in the city and 40 miles per gallon on the highway. Let's check out the interior. Okay, our seats are premium fabric, heated with manual adjustments. Door panels have power locks and windows. Steering wheel with Bluetooth and audio controls, and the 4.2-inch multi-information display just above the steering wheel and the dash here is where we will find our Safety Sense 2.0 features, your driver's assistance controls, such as blind spot monitor, dynamic radar cruise control, pre-collision system, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, and automatic high beams, which are turned on down here. So those are all right there. Okay. Moving over to the 7-inch touchscreen with Bluetooth, Android Auto, and Apple Carplay compatibility. Also, where your backup camera is displayed. Climate control. Heated seat controls. Under the dash, or in our little cubby, the tray, there's a USB audio input and power outlet. Your leather wrap shift knob with your electronic brake hold and your terrain select or drive mode options. Dual cup holders. And in our center storage console compartment, decently sized well. Passenger side door panel has power locks and windows. Small cubby in the passenger side dash here. And your glove compartment. Up top, we've got our interior lighting controls and an overhead sunglass compartment. All right, let's pop back outside. The 2020 Toyota RAV4 LE with all-wheel drive. It's got parabola LED headlamps, LED daytime running lights, 17-inch steel wheels with front and rear splash guards, power adjustable heated exterior mirrors with your integrated signal lamps, keyless entry, roof mounted shark fin antenna, rear spoiler, and up to our cargo space, tons of it. Small cubby here to the side for cargo lighting, and under here is your spare tire storage compartment. Alright, back here the premium fabric seats continue under the 60-40 split and foldable rear seats with a pulled down armrest, 2 cup holders, lots of legroom, small cubby in here and a power outlet and back seat pocket, speakers on the door panels, a little pocket, and power windows. Alright folks, that was a 2020 Toyota RAV4 LE all-wheel drive in the Ruby Flare Pearl exterior color. Give us a call at 613-342-9111 and one of our product advisors would be happy to get you booked in for an appointment to test drive it and check it out for yourself.